Welcome to Zippy Digital Marketing's YouTube channel, and in today's video you will see that stickers like this. So this is a Canva sticker tutorial for typography design, and super easy because you cannot use Canva sticker on your shirts, on your coffee cups, or anything else. You can create these stickers very easily and sell them on Etsy and make money with them. I do sell stickers that are super inexpensive on my store. If you go to zippydigitalmarketingshop.com, you can find stickers for like 99 cents. However, this tutorial is not about selling. You are going to learn how to create these stickers. So the very first step, what I'm going to do, I have already created it, but I will do it in front of you. So I use the font Carlson. This is a paid font. So Canva has a restriction on paid and unpaid fonts and how to use it. You need to read that in Canva's license. But I have plenty of free fonts and I will include that at the end of the video for you. So ungroup it. And then you are going to write moms are the best. Or whatever your desired word or a little sentence is. I use ChatGPT to create my short motivational quotes or sentences. Okay, once I have it, the next step I changed the color right here to black, both of them. And this font, they already have the outline, but I'm going to show you where we change the outline. You go to Effect and you change the outline. So here I have used this color. It was actually already selected color, which I just liked it. And so my direction is 61, offset is 22. I tell you what does that mean. You go here, this one, Effect, offset it 22 and 61 direction. Let's see what we have here. Yep, it's the same. And then I did something like this. I went down to a curve and I have up to 55 curve. I kept it. So let's do this one. Effect 22, 61. And then my curve was 48 here. So I just give them a bit of a curve. And then I arranged them nicely where I wanted to do it. Once it was all set, what I'm gonna do, I am going to, once it's my desired color, desired outline, after that I just group them together and then I downloaded it with so did you notice that over here I have exclamation mark while I didn't include it into this? The reason it just looked really, it was not looking good. But you can do and test around. So one more thing I would like to mention that before you go ahead and download, make sure you leave a spacing in between these because you are going to create that outline once you are done with this. So having a good space is really important. So once we do it, we are going to, once you know where you want it and it's all set, you will go to share and then you would download it. But here you have to download transparent background. I don't know if it's a free Canva offer this because ever since I have been using paid Canva, but if it doesn't, there are different free website, BG Remover, and there are other websites you can go and download your image. So then you're just going to click and then you say done and then you download it. Once you download it, I already have downloaded my image right here. Once I was here, I went to when I and then you will upload the image back to Canva, which is just simply drag and drop. So once I downloaded my image, I went to shadows, and then I did outline. So now let's change the color to whatever color we want. Mine was a pink, so you can see it. Now you can change the angle of the outline. You can also change the size of the outline however you want to. So I think this is a good size. Remember when I said you needed to have the space in between? This was the reason that if you don't have a space, then you see I'm gonna bring the size down so we can have a little bit space going on. Once we have that, we are going to go to elements, and then I'm gonna look for stars or lines or whatever you want. Creativity have no limit. So here I place this here, and I'm gonna over here, and then if you want to change the color, you can change them. And I also added the exclamation mark here. Let's do T, and then okay, so that's a little exclamation mark, and I'll put it right here. Okay, and then I also went to say lines, and I use these lines like these, and I put little crown on a mom's head, and then I change the color. I also set the lines, and I can show you this is a free line. You can totally use it and use it in your design as well. Canva doesn't mind. So here I'm gonna change this color to yellow, and then this also to yellow, or this, and then we can add a little more, one more line if we want to, and change the color to yellow. So here is then I am just going to group everything, and this is your whole sticker is ready. But if you use it on GoodNote or anywhere else, you do have to then download again. Let me download it in front of you. Transparent, and I'm only gonna download this page. So done and download. Steer away from Pro Canva stuff, because you are not going to. I'm just gonna copy and take back to my, yeah. So here is my sticker, which is now ready to go. I can use it wherever I want to, however I want to. As I said, creativity has no limit. You can design however you want to. I should have not put these two here, but now since I did it, no big deal. Use ChatGPT to create your small sentences. In that way, you don't have copyright issue or problem. And then create your stickers in Canva. And those are gorgeous stickers. You can then sell them however and wherever you want to. Hope you like the tutorial, and if it is beneficial for you and you think you learned something, please share and subscribe my channel. Have a wonderful